my channel. Andito si Kenneth. Anyway, andito kami sa Manggahan sa Tamiya. We're gonna have lunch here, and this is my face. My face is a bit dry today. I don't know why, especially right here. So my under eyes. Bakit ganun? I don't know why. I slept late kasi kagabi. Mga 4 na. Kasi I tried to film na na walang aircon or electric fan, but it's so freaking hot. So I turned it on again. This though. You notice anything different about me? Si Kenneth wala siyang napansin. Wala siyang napansin. Wala siyang sinasabi. Wala. Ay, ngit-ngit. Wala anything different about me.
Oo na. Nani-color.
Ngayon lang niya napansin. Kasi sinabi ko, kakaloka siya. 12:30 na. Kakarating lang namin and kaka-order lang namin. Look, cute lagi na diya. Karano kita, anak. Look, it's cute. Tea Kingdom. May mga hearts. Cutie. Ha? Mahilig ka sa pink. Wala akong masyadong energy. Si Kenneth kasi. Okay, nice. Si Kenneth, he's the type of person na hindi siya, like clear kausap. He changes his mind a lot. Nakakainis. Tsaka doon sa hindi pa niya narinig ang aking Chrissy impersonation. Because he doesn't watch my vlogs. And you will never hear it. Support. Yan, meron akong tripod. How bongga. So yung ginawa ni Kenneth, pinanood niya yung vlog, diba? Pero yung start lang. Like, I don't even think he watched a full minute. Kakaloka. Lalaking to. I reached by 7,000 subscribers. Thank you! Kasi habit na.
10,000.
Malapit mo na akong bilhan ng bagong camera. And bagong laptop. and my brows are not pantay. Mas mataas ng isa. Kasi I did this in the car while Kenneth was driving, so pwede ko muna yan. Ayan, pantay na sila. Whatever. Okay lang naman. Bakit mainit dito sa Manggahan? How long yung orders darating? How many minutes? I have no energy. By the way, I used the new EB matte lipstick in the shade Sexy Nude. I like it. I think nagbago na ang formula ng EB sa matte lipstick. It's not like how I remember before. Because the formula is really softer. It's softer. Ito siya. Still the same price. $165. And this is the color. Ayan. In fairness, It smells better than before, and it smells like vanilla, and the formula is more creamy. Like noon, it was really hard to glide on the lips, but now it's a lot better. Anyway, our shakes are here. Watermelon shake. Dito na yung kuko ko. Pagkaputol ko sa kuko ko, parang spiky. They look like claws. Finally, some of our orders have arrived. Garlic rice and sinuglaw. Bakit sinuglaw? Yeah. Bisaya yun sa inihaw and kinilaw. So, isda and baboy. Red lagila isda. No? Sagaran puti man. Looks like sashimi. Sashimi, Pinoy version. Siyempre, kailangan may vinegar kasi Pinoy version. Spicy squid. Gagmay dahil lang serving, no? Maliliit yung serving nila. Good for one lang. Kaya pala, akala ko it's so affordable, but it's really small pala. Si Kenneth di na nakatiis. Hey, you're wearing that top again. Yeah. Thank you. We have some, masagi Tagalog na? Isaw. Tinay. Tagalog na. We have calamares coming from. Hey guys, welcome back. So, finally, nakauwi na ako. Lakas ng fan. Sorry. Let me adjust my fan. Oh, ayan. Para marinig niyo ako ng maayos. Ayun, nandito na ako sa bahay. Pasensya na. Feeling ko hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog today. Yun. Pasensya na po. I just really wanted to spend time with Kenneth kasi medyo busy nga siya always. So, yeah, I just wanted to spend like all my time with him ngayon kasi minsan na lang kami makapag-date. Like minsan sa weekend hindi na kami nagkikita. Yay, I'm happy kasi most of you like my Chris Aquino impersonation. So, thank you! Thank you talaga sa inyong lahat. Kasi, alam nyo, si Boy, hindi niya ako pinapaano dito sa video. Hindi ko yata nakuha ngayon, but whatever. Magsha-shoutout din pala ako. Hi to sis Sweet Daisy 2006 or to Atelin. Hi, Atelin! And then, also to your sister na si Rowena. Dito daw siya nakatira sa Lapu-Lapu. Hi! Tapos, hi din po kay, Darren's and Daryl. Mga, two sons ni Ate Lynn or Ronalyn. Hi po! Actually, nag-i-email kami ngayon. Nag-i-email kami. So, yeah, yon. Also, hi to Grace Ho. Hi, Grace! Ay! In-email niya ako, sabi niya, may giveaway daw siya. Parang gusto niya mag-giveaway sa sa inyo, mga subscribers ko. Wait lang. Okay, so nagkaka-receive ko lang ng email niya sa sa akin. Na daw, may video daw siya, tapos magpapag-giveaway daw siya. For my subscribers. Bongga! Wait lang, titignan ko guys ha. Okay guys, so kakapanood ko lang sa video ni Ate Lynn or Sweet Daisy 2006 on YouTube. So, gumawa siya ng video na ang title is For Feline ay na open parenthesis, giveaway, close parenthesis. Ilalagay ko sa description box yung link ng video niya. And gumawa siya ng giveaway just for my subscribers. Like, bongga yon. So, yon. Actually, I'm not sure kung saan siya located, but she is working overseas, and like yung pag-YouTube, yun yung way niya para para meron siyang makausap galing dito sa Pilipinas and ganun. Tapos nagpa-plan kami na magkita kami sometime on October. So, siguro, kung yung manalo is taga Cebu, we can do a meetup. Like, diba? The three of us. Kapag nag-meet up kami, pwede na tayo mag-meet. Or, you know, kung sino sumali. Bongga. Yan! So, I will leave her link in the description box below yung giveaway niya. Bongga naman yung giveaway niya! It's a mixture of a lot of things. So, merong fashion, merong makeup, my skincare or nail care, and yon, bongga rin. So, kung ano yung hilig mo, oh, and meron ding intimate things, bongga. So, go ahead and check out her video in the description box below, or you can click the link right here. Ilalagay ko dyan. Thank you so much, Ate Lynn, for sponsoring this giveaway. Sali kayo, guys, para masaya, diba? And I think that is it for today's vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And yon. If you want to get a shoutout from me, just leave your shoutout request in the comment section below. And sana dun po kayo sa comment section ng vlog na ito mag-comment para mabasa ko talaga kapag gumagawa ako ng shoutouts. Kasi minsan kapag sa ibang video kayo nag-comment, hindi ko siya nababasa kapag gumagawa na ako ng comments. Kasi sa vlog ako kumukuha ng comments na nagpapa-shoutout. And also, hi to Sis Liberty Cobarrubia. Hi sis! Yan lang naman guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Nga pala, isisingit ko lang. Yung pinanood namin na movie is, nakalimutan ko, Pete's Dragon. Okay siya, masaya naman yung movie, kaya lang, yung start niya is medyo boring. So, actually, nakatulog ako, kaloka. Ako naman yung nakatulog, hindi si Kenneth. Tapos, usually kasi nanonood kami ng movie last full show. And then ngayon, nanonood kami ng movie, mga 6 PM nag-start, or 6:30, 7, gano'n, 6 nag-start. So, medyo parang nanibago kami. Tapos parang nabitin kami kasi sanay kasi kami na natatapos yung movie mga 11 or 11:30, 12, ganon. So, ayun, nanood kami ng isa pang movie. Pero, yung second movie na pinanood namin is luma na movie. 25 pesos lang siya sa, sa SM. So, bongga naman yun. Yun, hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog kanina. Kasi nga, I just wanted to spend time with Kenneth. So, yan lang guys. Oh, and also, nag-shopping kami. Eto. Ayan, konti lang naman. So, I think I can do. Pero hindi pa rin ako nakabili ng sandals ko para sa prenup shoot namin. Yun kasi yung plano ko. Kaya ako pumunta ng department store kasi I need a pair of sandals para sa aming prenup. Pero wala ako nakita na maganda. Gusto ng coordinator namin na babae ako tignan sa prenup. So, mas maganda daw kung naka-wedge ako or, you know, heels na puti. Kasi may shoot kami na kailangan naka-all white kami. So, yan. Maghahanap pa ako. Naghanap na ako sa SM Cebu tsaka SM Consolacion. Wala ako nakita maganda. Tsaka sa Gisano din. Merong okay, pero tignan natin. Baka may iba pa. Yun lang naman. So, pasensya na. Yun. I washed a few of my makeup brushes nung kahapon yata. And, ayan. Dry na sila. I'm happy kasi dry na sila. Wait, let me show you. Ito na sila, guys. Malinis na sila. Bongga. Yun yung mga brushes na ginamit ko last week. So, 2 sets of face brushes and konting eye brushes. Kasi, nung nag-tutorial ako, doon lang naman ako gumagamit ng eye brushes kasi I don't really use, you know, eye brushes that much. Yun lang guys. I will watch some YouTube videos, store the clean brushes in my brush case, and And yun, mag-fix ako dito sa aking bed and wash my face, remove all of this makeup, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have another review for you all, and I'm not in my house. I'm actually in a hotel right now. In front of me is the beach, so kung may maingay, alam niyo na kung bakit. Anyway, I have something here from the SM store, and I'm really super excited to try